Chef Jeremy Parker, we love you so much because you bring us such innovative items, not only for the kitchen, for cooking, all of it. This is a bottle and straw 5-piece cleaning set with silicone soap dispenser. That silicone soap dispenser is multifunctional. It is on a clearance price. And if you picked up those Primula like straws, trust me, there are different straws and you need different tools for all those straws. So this is a 5-piece complete cleaning set. You don't want to use the things that you already have in your kitchen. They are gross. Get the silicone variety. And let's do colors really quick.
Right back
all right, here we
here.
go. All right, here we have it in red. Oh, this is a cute display. Here we go, red. Here is dark gray. We'll go through all the things that you're getting. Navy. Very popular in navy. Here is purple. And finally, my little kitchen, green. Okay, all right, most limited in green. Chef Jeremy Parker, show me.
Let's get into it because you're going to get 2 brushes. A plate brush, also really good for cleaning non-stick cookware, and then your bottle brush. Then you get the 2 straw brushes. Also, you can clean things like funnels or little nooks and crannies you want to get to. Baby bottle things if you want to. And this soap dispenser, little squirt bottle, is awesome. Nothing drips out of it, so you can leave it on your countertop. And everything is cleanable. It is pure silicone. Kochblume.
I love silicone, yes.
Kochblume specializes in making high-end silicone products for the kitchen and for the house.
Yes.
So, as a cleaning brush, how do you clean something like this? Like
how do you do it?
How do you? I mean, you shake it. You hope that if you have anything dried in there, this will allow you to get into spaces like this water bottle. Get into there, clean inside of there, scrub it, pull it out, and then you can clean this. Like even like the baby bottle you just mentioned. Of course, you can come in here and clean this side, but this tip.
Look at this.
You can actually get all the way into the tip. That last little bit right there.
I love that.
If you want to clean your beaters for, your handheld beaters or your whisks, you can go inside and clean that. And just a lot, there's so many different things. Vases, champagne flutes. I mean, if you have one of these bottlenecks, you can get through that bottleneck. How do you normally get through that? So that's just the bottle brush. Okay, so next we have the plate brush. And actually, let me show you. I'll do the plate brush with this because this soap dispenser, Nancy, is awesome.
So good.
Okay, so I've got barbecue sauce in this one. Now you could use it for soap, but take a look. When I squirt a little bit of barbecue sauce, look what's left behind.
No drip.
No drip, nothing left behind. Squirt that barbecue sauce on there.
I would buy this for $24 alone. It's so genius.
That's right. So when you do your soap, of course, here's your plate brush. And so when you're ready, like even we all have, I'm sure, dishwashers. And you need to still clean off things like this. If you have leftovers on here. Now I could take some soap and still go ahead and soap this if you like. So just like a sponge, I just hold soap and then as you go to clean it, go ahead. You can clean this. Now, I can clean it completely. If you don't use soap, just to rinse it. The best part is that there is no barbecue sauce left on this. If there's anything, mustard, sauce, just give that a little scrub off. You can put this in the dishwasher to clean it. And the best time to clean pans sometimes is when they're still hot. So, okay, non-stick cookware, don't wreck it. By using like a bristled brush,
oh my gosh,
things
it's
like
so
that.
dangerous,
And if you've ever, a lot of times, like if you clean a pan while it's still hot, here's a regular, just plastic bristle. Here's our silicone.
That's gonna scratch the pan.
They're heat safe, but here's the problem: is maybe you're cleaning your barbecue, or maybe you're cleaning a grill, or a hot pan. After it gets cold, things coagulate. You get like that coagulated. Oh, by the way, if I stop right here,
oh my gosh, I forgot to take it out.
Just look what happened. Okay, this completely melted. You see how this melted, and there's nothing wrong with our Kochblume because it's silicone. It's not plastic. I can actually come in here and take this over and scrub this clean. I'm going to clean that off of there. And just bring it back over here because this is totally heat safe. And the best part is that the brush itself always stays clean. So you're always cleaning with a clean brush, not one of these like gross spongy things.
This one looks like a toilet brush. We always talked about that. Like, it's so abrasive. Also, you also have a little scraper here, right?
Yes, and if you flip it over, there's a scraper. So if you have like a pan, that's good call out there, Nancy. put this over, and so if you wanted to scrape really caked on things, you have that option also. So it really is the full cleaning system. And then of course these two for cleaning like your straws, your reusable straws, and even things like funnels and whatnot. You can get in there and clean all that.
It's everything you need in your kitchen, and probably you've got, you don't have every single one of these things, and you probably need them, right?
Yeah.
I just got my straw cleaner like this year, so don't even talk to me about how dirty my straws were.
Okay.
Here is the red. Here's the red, a 5-piece system from Kochblume. Here is dark gray. We also have it in navy. Here is purple. And finally, we have it in green. All right, couple more minutes. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So a couple other things too, just even like your coffee maker in the morning. If you have this, you get that little bit left of coffee. Yeah. Take this in here and just kind of do one of these, round and round and round and round. It's really easy. It's 360 cleaning. Or maybe your Vitamix, you don't have these fixed blades. You want to get down and go around that blade, up and down the sides.
Can I show you this?
Instead of using one of these things.
This is a $450 scary machine that you do not want to use this on. Yeah. This, that looks like a toilet brush. Look at the bristles. Look at how hard it is, how scary it is, and also like how unhygienic. You can't even like hardly wash this. The silicone that's why we love silicone.
Yeah,
right?
that's right.
It's gentle but effective.
And it will clean, and you can also clean this. And same thing is like you can clean this. So like right here, we've got some oil, some tea leaves, and some coffee grounds. We made a little mixture here. And here's the main difference between, say, other brushes. Is if you get grease on this or oil on this, it's gonna live on there. On your sponge, you have to replace it, okay? So no matter how many times you try and clean this thing off, it's always gonna remain nasty.
That is so gross.
Because this is silicone. Here, take a look. I could just give that a rinse. The barbecue sauce, the ketchup, the mustard, the cheese,
silicone.
The ranch dressing, whatever's on there, this will always be clean. And remember, you can always take this off here, and you can boil this if you want to. If you have a dishwasher, put it in your dishwasher, sanitize it, and they will last you year after year after year. It's something you'll just use every single day when you clean things up.
Could you tell them about the company too?
Again, Kochblume, German company that makes high-end silicone products for your house and your kitchen.
It's really big deal for me because I lived in Germany and they come up with really great engineering. So please emphasize that. Yeah. They really do. I lived in Europe. I'm like, genius. So when you said it's a German company, I knew that engineering. Nice. Here is red. We also have it in dark gray. Here is navy, purple, and green. And trust me, you need both of those tips for the different straws because my Primula, didn't even have a straw cleaner before. All right, thanks, Fred.
Thanks, Nancy.
All right, over 1,000 picked up